Hello guys, so this is my Excel sheet. I'm stock market buy and sell Excel sheet for currently right now. I maintain this Excel sheet. These are the whatever I highlighted here, hide it here. My account details and account detail username password. The why the security question username password login online trading like that. It's not a problem here. So don't give to others. Those are the details. You keep it here. And total amount how much I deposit in the RS. So whatever you amount we should whatever amount you are depositing, you put it here. This one directly linked to in here, some amount in here. So everything already linked, everything here is a inflation rate. You have to change it here. You can check it here. Help format 10 in here. Help F10. So like that you have to change it in here every once a month. Automatically it's in here also. It's going to be a reminder every once a month. It's going to be a red blue color turn into red color, then automatically this letter going to pop up. So like that. So those are details in here. So buying power, currently I don't have much of buying power, so notice. So this much amount I gain, how many percentage total return if I sell it like that. So according to me, this is a return amount, return percentage. So inflation rate like that. So far I didn't sell anything. So for example, you are going to buy some stock like that. Okay, for that one first you have to insert one tab. So go home and insert. So otherwise you have to click here like that. Control Shift equal. So it's going to be insert one cell. So you have to select like that. So I'm going to insert. So for example, which share you are going to buy it, and so certain shares, so company shares, in some for example some reason I can't insert directly to CSC website company list to my Excel sheets. Come get a problem for me. I'm getting all the live data from this website called investing.com like that. So I directly link to investing.website to for live update for me. Unfortunately I can't directly link to CSA website, so I don't know why. Maybe some same comfortable, not compatibility mode or something like that. Say unfortunately I don't know any way to I can insert it. So far near to accurate data I'm getting here, not 100%, at least 95%, 90%. Only problem in here, certain name in here. Look at the Ceylon Garden, the university, there are no PLC. So some companies come to PLC. City Holding and RE in Sri Lanka Stock Exchange, they are not going to mention name, not like that. Whatever name I'm mentioning here, so I just they'll send the email. So I'm buying. So for example, I'm going to buy power plant called what we call valuable one. So if I'm going to buy valuable one, I'm going to check it here. What's the name called valuable one? After that only. So for example, one. So valuable one. So I'm going to check it. Okay, valuable one. I just copy valuable one and paste it here. Sorry for that one. Paste it like copy. Normal like that. So it will link to where the stock market by dividend chart. Now this will come to link to dividend chart. For me, I need to. I think I manually link to the each link. Yeah, I already linked to manually. So everything in this one automatically hyperlink part. Just so this one I explain it. One come to this sheet. So for before that one, so I'm going to check the variable one. I'm this one going to be dividend every once a year, once 3 months, once a month. You have to go to this website, Google Sheet. Maybe here you download it and check it. You don't need to check it all everything in here. Only you have to check it this year and last year, 2021 and 2020, then only it's going to be okay. F1, let me see. Okay, not that one. Variable one, yes, it's going to be A130, A130. So I'm going to link it. So same place to keep. Where is that dividend? Dividend. Where are your dividend? I can't find the dividend. Over here. Okay, sorry. Define names. I just so to be here. Dividend 30. So it's a table name. So unfortunately we have called reference number. Variable one CDS stock dividend. Okay, dividend 130. So it's a call reference. So in here downstairs is a name, define name, the chart name number. So if anything more details about the creator, how to create the chart name in here, so you can watch my earlier videos. It's there, so you can watch there. So click 130. It's going to be available one. Okay, that's good. And now I need to like that select using mouse key, and it's going to be so why it's not going to work. Come to here. In here NAV chart, I don't have any details in here. For that, if I'm going to buy, or if I bought any shares, I'm going to create a NAV here like that. For example, I'm going to okay. So I purchased the call shares called available one now. So I'm going to take the details from here. Available one. So available one NAV. So available one, if I click it, it's going to be there. So this one also, where is going to be linked it. This one also linked to okay dividend. This one going to be linked to dividend. Okay. So and here, so come back to same cell. For that one, so some reason, so it's easy way to do it. Easy way to just copy, paste, and yeah, sorry for that. Copy and paste it here. It said we come back here. It said to be a okay. Available one is come to here. Okay, it said to be available one. Why is not shown here? Okay, so like that you have to change it. Now I just copy all the details from here, and I'm going to paste it here. So unfortunately I don't have any shares, so I'm going to mark it down. Okay, today I purchased 512 41. So how much price currently? This price currently I bought price, not a current price. I said 10 rupees. So it's going to be how much commission, how much amount, how much commission, everything here. So in this one again, how much price right now going on here, it will come down to automatically. Same thing, So if I purchase, okay, this one, if I purchase, how much? 71, now 80. It's going to be a red color here. It's going to be a red color. So I'm going to purchase for this is still green color. And date is not a problem. 2021. 20 is the date. So 2021. It's the today date 6. Okay, so that's the date today. So let's come to here. Automatically select how many shares I have. I mark it down here. So these details in here, these details you have to get it from annual report. So you have to go to the CSC website. Where is the CSC website? Central Bank's information at CSC website, valuable power, and you have to download it. Check the better you check the 10-year anniversary summary, deck 1 decade anniversary summary. You can take all the details once here, and how many shares they have it now, like that. If they any split or anything, you can market you can able to market down like that. Yeah, 1 to 10 is split like a soft logic AIC like that. And there's another, so interest SPR, they have too much split, I think. Here interest SPR, their shares change it like that, no? So they didn't change the shares until 2020 May 31st. 31st, yeah. And sub dividend right issue, they issue the right issue. I just mark it down the what I think they make it down, and everything here. This part, okay. So once you update it everything here, so it's automatically this one will update it according to this name. This name automatically update to from live data. How to create that live data link, everything I already explained in my previous video. You can watch it there. So there's a in this NAV, net asset value, you can able to get the annual report. Otherwise you can go to the in this website, investing dot investing.com, equity Sri Lanka. So you can get the more detail from there, more than so far. If you are not member of the CSC website, you can get the more details from there. Investing with free. So far still now it's free, so I don't know how many years it's going to be available for free. And live data, you don't need to insert a live data. I already insert live data in here. Get data, sorry, where is it? So query, so already this part don't need to worry about this part. Everything live data, how I inserted everything here. So most of the part here, properties. So property, okay. So these are the part, you don't need to worry about this. Really it's not necessary things. Every day you have to come here and refresh it. Every if you need to update, I mark it on as a refresh for 30 minutes, automatic update for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, every hour is going to be a refresh. But anyhow, whenever I decide to refresh it, I just come here, check the date and time. It's the time 3:47, 3:37. The time is in here 3:55, 3:35. Sorry for that one. So I don't know why I'm jabbering, confusing. Okay, refresh it. You can see the time change. So and it's here running background query. So automatically going to update it here. How much today change the price in here. It's all get data getting from live data. This sheet like. Check this for in here. I'm already make it on the color coding, everything here is a dividend, means I mark it on a dividend. Okay, good dividend, bad dividend, like that. So color coding by default like that. And here these are the price I'm expecting to price. These are the current price, how many percentage change. So I'm going to buy 100 shares. So now I currently change it to 100 to 1000 shares. So in here if I change it 1000 to okay 10 shares, it's going to be changed it here and here. So how many shares I'm going to check it. The 10 shares is going to be changed here. So everything you can get the same way. You can insert. So I make it on the insert button here. So it's home, insert. So for example, I'm going to take this company called valuable fine, valuable one. So in here this name not linked to, not important for that linking to. So in here I think it's had to be a linked. So let me check to why it's not linked. Valuable one, now it's going to be linked. So it's also same to dividend linked. And how much my price is going to be 18, so I'm going to check the 60. So 60, so it's a we look up live data, then how much price right now for that one we look up 71, and here I'm going to mark it on okay, it's plus like this going on. How much 100 shares worth it, so it's how many percentage I had to give commission. So without commission, how much will I get? Not it's a total commission. So how much I had to buy? Okay, it's a 10 shares. I just forgot to I changed the 10 shares. That's why it's coming this much amount. So if I going to buy 100 again 10 shares, if I going to sorry for that one. So it's all automatically changing. Now I had to mark it down. It's a good dividend or bad dividend. I'm going to mark it on in here. It's going to be a good dividend. So if I mark it on it's a dividend not good, it's going to be a red color. So that part also live data is what you the dividend chart. You have to go to this website sharemarket-srilanka.blogspot.com. so it should be up here somewhere in this website. So I think today February 5, yesterday they update the this Excel sheet, so I'm going to check it. So it's going to be here. So I'm not going to check the 2019, so I'm going to check it 2021 and 2020. So then I don't need to check more details. So once if anything change, I come here, copy and paste it manually. So I currently I'm working on call shortlisting company. For that one I'm going to click here. In here these are the company currently I'm trying to shortlist. Unfortunately current market price everything high fluctuation, so it's really uh, confusing right now. I can't get the correct decision. Even worthless shares also is going rooftop high, so unfortunately I can't get a correct decision for now. These are the shares it's going over the roof. So for now I'm holding to shortlisting my company. So far I done like that. So this sheet you can create it. I'm going to attach it, this sheet also my shared Google Drive. So anyone willing to learn from and shortlist out and update it. These are the sheets you have to update every year, every month or 6 months in here manually. So that one is it's not going to automatically update it from there to here. So if anyone know how to update it once I like that. So if I update it here, I need to update it automatically in here everything, and here this sheet also, this sheet in here and here. So anyway I can update it one place, it's automatically updated all the other three places. Anyone know, let me know, so I can also learn buy and sell. So today, so how much I shares buy, how much I share sell, it's just a track that record like that. I'm going to buy sell what I shares buy and sell. Even it's a right issue also I pay just this much amount like that. So like that I'm going to whatever I buy, whatever I sell, I'm going to mark it down like a one by one like that. So it's not going to be calculated total amount or like that. It's that overall I just checking. It's a name and symbols. So these are the name and symbols. Only problem with the name and symbols, in I took the details from CSC website. Most of the company name come with the PLC. Last is the PLC, like the Aban Finance PLC. So, but problem with it, in here. Aban Electric, Aban Finance, like that. There are no PLC. For whatever company I'm going to select it, most of the company I don't need to get shortlisted. So for that one, whatever I company selecting and try to search it, I'm going to check. Okay, this is the name and where is it? This name is the same. Sorry for that one. So where is it? Name and simple. This name and this name has to be the same, otherwise some you are not going to get a correct result. So VLOOKUP is not going to work it using, you are not going to get it. For that one you have to always double check it. Whatever your name company you are selecting is to be a match to this name. You are not going to change it to this name to here. You are going to match whatever name you are going to put it is to be matched here. For example, if you are going to buy another company here, you can't go and take it for name here. First you check the name first here and check here is it to be the same name, otherwise you have come here and copy paste and change it. So you just like to come here and check the name, what's the name I copy. Okay, control. Okay, I just need to check it here. Name and simple. Okay, it's not the same component, same name. AHUN. So let me check it. AHUN is the same num. AHUN. No, it's not the same. It's Alina Spa Hotel Holiday. Alina. Okay, it's not the same. So I come here and so I'm going before that one I'm going to check it. Is any Alina is there? Alina is plantation, not that one. Okay, 3 names there. So find all 3 names. For that one I need to check it. Okay, Ali is Spend Hotel. Alien Spend Hotel Holding. Okay. Yes, Alien Plantation Station, not that one. Alien Span. And here spans. So now I have 2 choices. Which one is which? I have no idea. For that one I had one solution. For that one, which one is which? I'm going to check it for that one. So Alien Span Hotel. So Alien in here Ali Span. Okay, hotel PLC is there and hotel. It's to be a hotel maintaining. I'm going to check here. First one Span Hotel. So last one is a Span PLC. They have a separate name for that one. In here Span PLC, not that one. Okay, I can confirm first one. For that I am going to copy paste here. So after that now it's going to be okay. So otherwise if you are going to VLOOKUP here, so it's not going to work it here. No name or anything. Name all the name I'm getting from here, company name list here. Here simple simple name table name I mentioned like that. For that that's a one helping. What are you going to help it and create another format? You have to keep it here and easy to maintain. These are the company I am currently shortlisting. So far I think 3 weeks ago I stopped shortlisting for further because of highly frustration. That means market moving unhealthy or not organic way, so it's moving very frustration way too. So for that one I stopped shortlisting. So far I can able to shortlist this one. So once market get the healthy and okay normal normal now it's everything very high. So I don't know why. So nowadays going lots of things going on in Sri Lanka. Maybe I think after they using vaccine, it's going to be a come to normal. I think it's my protection, not a protection. So these are things I just try to learn. So it's not important. So dividend. So using dividends, I shortlisting these two, and here I'm going to using right now for only one purpose only. I'm this thing I'm using for only one purpose. This one the last one and second last. Only a shortlisting companies. Nowadays I'm using shortlisting for, you can using shortlist for many video using. For me right now I'm a basic learner now starting stock market. For that one I'm using PE ratio and another one NAV, and how many time is the NAV going on market price and dividends, and like that. And special case is a growth stock. I'm going to find out, try to find out it's a growth stock. So I'm getting whatever selected company, I keep it separately. It's any company I thought about it's going to be a growth stock or like that, industry wise. So I'm going to keep it like a exception like that. And here like as Richard Peace export is going to be a growth stock. I thinking like that, so I'm keep it like that. So that these are decisions I'm going to make. So I'm going to attach the same folder, this Excel, this one dividend sheet extra, and in here this report, this sheet I got from in here. It's a what we call Asia Security Limited stockbroker. So broker. So it's a December 24. They are last updated. So it's a they are publicly available document. So otherwise you can call your stockbroker. You can ask it. Unfortunately, if you are less amount of profile you are maintaining, so like mine, so they are not going to help most of the time. So unfortunately I'm myself Langa security, so I had to two maybe three times I send the email. So after that, first I call, after I send the email, and I got the WhatsApp, and second day I remain the WhatsApp, and then only they send me the details. So if you are investing more than 5 lakhs, maybe some kind of lakhs, so they will definitely going to reach you and help you first for first call. For that's up to you. So how do you going to get the details is up to you. So if you get this Excel sheet, these are things you have to maintain every once a month like that. So look at that, how much profit I got it, because it's not a profit, it's a minus. This one what we call why it's not change. That's a problem. Look at that now. That's a good thing about I came and checked here. It said be my total deposit 50, but I bought shares showing in here. No, it's here 77,000 like that. So it said to be a minus. Why is not showing minus? I'm going to come and check it here. So certain rules here. Okay, I didn't mention mark it down manually. So it's sorry, I mark it down in here manually. For that one, I'm going to between not equal to not less greater than 1. I'm going to mark it down like a green, fill with the green. It's a green, no? It's a green and bold, font bold. Okay, so in another rules I'm going to mark it down less than 1. Let's see it's working or not. So click red color, Play. Okay, it's working. So once in here, so it's a be a 70. So for example, I'm going to mark it on here. Um, 80,000. So still I have a 2,600 I think buying power like that. So in here same thing has to be here, so you can check it. Okay, it's percentage, how many percentage like that you can change it. Okay, so I'm going to remove my water details in here and here, and after that I'm going to upload it my Google Drive, and anyone get try to use this one, link the description below. You can use it this Excel sheet. So I don't know how long, once I update it I try to regularly update this same file. I hope. Thank you.